In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Find My iPhone when it's not working, especially if it's not showing your iPhone or iPad. If you've ever faced this issue, you know how frustrating it can be, particularly when you're trying to locate your devices. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step to get this resolved in just a few minutes. First, let's ensure the basics are covered. The functionality of Find My iPhone relies on an active internet connection. So grab your missing device, be it an iPhone or iPad, and make sure it's connected to the internet, whether via Wi-Fi or a cellular network. Without a network connection, there's no way for the location data to be shared, which might be the root of your problem. Next, we need to check the settings on the device that's lost. Go to Settings, tap on your name at the top, then navigate to Find My, and make sure that Find My iPhone is turned on. This feature must be enabled for your device to share its whereabouts. Double checking this setting often does the trick, especially if it might have been turned off accidentally. Now head back to the device you're using to find your missing iPhone or iPad. Make sure to sign in with the same Apple ID. This is crucial because Find My iPhone only works when you're signed in with the correct Apple ID on the device you're using. Every action and setting is tied to this account, so consistency is key here. It's also a good idea to restart the device you're using to track your lost one. A simple restart can sometimes refresh necessary services and resolve minor glitches that might be interfering with the app's function. So, give your tracking device a quick reboot and try searching again. Another important step is to ensure your iOS is up to date. Head to the settings of your device, tap on General and then Software Update. Keeping your device's software current is essential as updates frequently contain fixes and improvements that enhance functionality, including the smooth operation of Find My iPhone. If you're still facing issues, let's give this one more try. Log into iCloud on a web browser. Just go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Once you're in, tap on Find iPhone and see if you can retrieve the location data from there. Sometimes using the web interface can bypass software issues on the device itself. With these steps, you should now be able to get Find My iPhone running smoothly again. Remember, devices and technology can sometimes be tricky, but there are always solutions at hand. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped bring your device back into sight.